If you forgot your Gmail password and also changed your phone number, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover your Gmail account step by step. This is one of the most common account recovery situations, and the good news is that Google gives you a few different ways to prove it's really you. So, if you've lost access to your old number, stay with me and follow along carefully. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the safest place to begin the recovery process. Once the page loads, enter your Gmail address in the box and click Next. Make sure you type the email address correctly, because even a small mistake can send you in the wrong direction. After that, Google may ask you to enter the old phone number or the previous password linked to the account. If you no longer have access to that number or you can't remember the password, don't panic. Just click Try Another Way. This is where Google gives you alternate recovery methods, and this is the key step for people who change their number. Next, use any recovery option that is still available to you. You may see a recovery email, a Google prompt on a device where you're still signed in, or a previously used device or browser that Google recognizes. If you have access to your recovery email, choose that option and follow the instructions sent there. If you're signed in on another phone, tablet, or computer, look for the Google prompt and approve it. If Google recognizes your device or browser, that can also help confirm your identity. The important thing is to use the option that gives Google the strongest proof that you're the owner of the account. After that, you may be asked to answer recovery questions. Try to answer them as accurately as possible. Use the last password you remember, the approximate date you created the account, or any other details Google asks for. If you're not completely sure, do your best and keep your answers consistent. Google uses these responses to verify that the account belongs to you. If the first recovery option doesn't work, keep clicking, try another way, and follow each available step until you find one that works. Sometimes Google may ask for additional verification, so stay patient and continue through the prompts carefully. Once your identity is verified, Google will let you create a new password. Enter a strong new password that you haven't used before, then confirm it by typing it again. Make sure it's something secure, unique, and easy for you to remember, but hard for anyone else to guess. Then click Save. At this point, your Gmail password will be updated, and you should be able to sign back into your account with the new password. After you regain access, I strongly recommend checking your recovery information and updating it so this problem is easier to solve in the future. Add a current phone number, confirm your recovery email, and make sure your account security settings are up to date. That way, if you ever get locked out again, you'll have more options ready to go. And that's it. That's how to recover Gmail when you forgot the password and changed your number. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.